Moving into a truncated week, pre-Diwali, 11,671 on the finish line for the Nifty futures. Good market breadth as well. Solid recovery coming in there. About 0.6% gain coming in. The top weekly gainers and surprising ones there. Yes Bank has been a key performer with 30% market gain. Tata Motors, ever since yesterday of news of Brexit actually happening, a 17% gain coming in there as well over the week. Today, though, it softened a little bit. ONGC has held out very well. There's been BPCL, which has looked very good. BHEL has been a standout performer. These have been a couple of key gainers in the week gone by. Today as well, Indiabulls Housing, BHEL, Yes Bank, SAIL, these have all been standout performers. Add to that, Siemens as well, 1.6% gain there. Infratel has looked good by about 2.25%. Oil India has held out a solid 6.25%. And then there is CESC and BEL, which also go home winners. On the flip side, no recovery in sight for Zee after its earnings. 5% lower. Dish TV, Bharat Forge, and Motherson Sumi is the other one, which also has closed in with a smidge of a red. Reliance continued to hold strong ahead of its numbers. It goes home with gains. 14.14 on Reliance Industries ahead of its numbers later today.
Right, we can also look at some of the mid-cap names and really what's happening. And so, in fact, the mid-cap index actually did pretty well. When you compare it to what was happening with the other markets, especially, a lot of companies which were reacting to their numbers. But on the mid-cap side, so the mid-cap index itself was up 2%. The small-cap index was up 1.75. That itself tells you the sort of broad-based participation, that was there in the markets today. So that was really one of the key highlights in the market. BHEL, of course, 21% higher. You have a Hindustan Copper, 38 rupees stock now, but nevertheless up 20%. Indiabulls Housing towards the second half, especially in the last 1.5 hour of trading session, went up about 20-odd%. PNB up close to 18%. That's PNB Housing I'm talking about. Remember, it's got punished as well in the last few days. But in the last 3 or 4 days since the time they've given their initial update, you have seen that there has been some amount of recovery. IEX up close to 10%. ITD Cementation up close to 9%. You have a Reliance Infra, which is up close to about 10-odd%, and Jamuna Auto up about 10%. So these are some of the broader market gainers. Birla Corp up about 8%. Yes Bank up 8%. A SAIL has done well, up close to 8%, and a NALCO is also doing well at about 43 rupees towards the close. Jubilant Life 8% higher. Remember, we told you about the story regarding the demerger between the two companies. 7% higher for Jubilant Life as well. Indoco Remedy up 6%. Time Technoplast up 6%. Kaveri Seeds up close to 5%. HDFC AMC up around 5.5%. So all these names essentially are doing well. Balkrishna Industry, Avanti Feeds, SL Propack are some of the other gainers.